everybody, this is Akhil Kumar. I coming about to tell about SSMC. It means Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, Salesforce is one of the best cloud CRM platforms. It is the very best CRM platform. It means it has in cloud computing also. It is an integrated CRM platform that provides a single share view of each customer. It means there are double shared also, but it is a single share view of each customer for one customer only for all departments with an organization such as marketing, sales, commerce, and service. Our Salesforce tutorial is designed to help the beginners with the Salesforce and professional basic concepts with advanced concepts. In this, we will cover all the essential topics of Salesforce from beginning to Apex development. Second one, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is an SaaS. It means SaaS means software as a service, which means there is no need to install the software or server to work on. You can simply sign up in salesforce.com and start running the business instantly. Here, Amazon, Google, and Salesforce. Software as a service means Salesforce, Force.com, platform as a service, and infrastructure is Amazon, WC, Amazon. Okay. Who is founder of Salesforce Marketing Cloud? It was founded by Mark Benioff, Parker Harris, Dave Moloff, and Frank Cummins in 1999. Salesforce was started as a CRM for software cloud, but today it was provides various products and software solutions to users and developers. Since software is cloud-based software, Salesforce is a cloud-based software, hence it does not require any IT professional to set up anything. It provides one of the best way to connect with the customer, business partners and clients for the single integrated environment. It allows the business to identify the customer requirements, address the problems easily and provide the same solution with minimum time frame. Okay. Before going in deep with this tutorial, let's understand two basic concepts of Salesforce. It means there are two types, CRM and cloud computing. What is CRM? Customer Relationship Management. Okay. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a software to manage all the customers and company's interactions. It means there is some interaction between the company and the customer, and it contains and manage all the customer related information such as customer name, address, phone number, email address, and other business related information. Third, the software keeps all interactions done with customer, complaints registered by the customer, resolution provided by executive, and other customer activity with particular business or product. It means the software keeps the all the interaction done with customers in complaints registered by the customers, which means that means when we are putting all the interactions with done with customers, it will put in one server and they register complaints and resolution provided by execute and other customer activities with particular business or product. It allows us to track and manage the sales marketing prospects given to customers. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology to store, manage, process, and access the internet instead of a local server or computer hard drives. With the help of cloud computing, an organization can save. It means it will save loss of cost of local storage of data maintains. It will also maintain the data time to time. Maintenance of data. The information over the cloud can be accessed much efficiently from anywhere with the help of internet. If we have one internet GB of data, we can access the our information anywhere, anytime. Using cloud computing instead of traditional storage help users with lot of benefits such as speed, cost effectiveness, security, and global access. What is history of Salesforce? The Salesforce development was started in the year 1999 by Mark Benoff, Parker, Harris, Frank, and Dave Meloff, and with the same vision of Salesforce CRM. In 2021, the Salesforce company announced its world expansion and surpassed 3,000 customers in the same year and became the fast growing CRM company. In 2003, the first Dreamforce event was held in San Francisco. In this event, the first on demand application service S4 2.4 has been launched. In this year 2005, in the year 2005, Salesforce introduced its Apex Exchange service. The App Exchange service. This service was designed to offer a platform to third-party developers to develop their applications and provide those apps to Salesforce customers. In the year 2008, Force.com, a Salesforce development platform that allows developers to build applications, has released. In the year 2011, the company chartered a social collaboration service of the enterprise. And year 2000, it has launched Salesforce One platform to enable customers to run their business from the phone. The company launched the Trailhead platform. Anyone in the year 2015, the Salesforce became Trailhead. In the year 2014, the company launched a platform to empower any to learn skills. In the year 2015, the Salesforce became one of the Fortune 5,000 companies, and in the year 2019 the company acquired Tabule and the numbers one CRM and number one analytic platforms come together. Why Salesforce? Why choose Salesforce? Because in above section we have learned about sales, but why should we choose it? What are benefits? The first benefit of choosing Salesforce is that we do not need to install any software to build an application or business on our business activities. We can focus on building the apps instead of installing, setup, remaining, repairing, etc. Since it is the cloud-based CRM platform, any user can access it anywhere from the using internet. The development cost is also very less. Technologies used by the Salesforce: Apex, Visual Force, and Compiler. In Apex, Salesforce has its own programming language known as Apex. Hence, to become a Salesforce developer or to create a Salesforce app, user must have a good knowledge of Salesforce Apex. Visual Force. Visual Force is a framework introduced by Salesforce which enables the developer to create the customer user interface that can work on Lightning platform. Compiler. Salesforce contains its own compiler to compile the Apex programs and Visual Force pages. What the Companies using Salesforce. There are HCL, Pizza Hut, L'Oreal, American Express, Nikon Instruments, Comcast, Comcast, Spectator, Sony. What is HCL? You use Salesforce CRM for entry data to validate customer data. Data entry to HCL Technologies use Salesforce CRM for the data entry to validate customer data. Pizza Hut is providing the smart mobile experience to its customer using the market Salesforce cloud. L'Oreal builds a Salesforce network using the Salesforce by which thus can share any hair fashion related plans or events to the stylist or customer. American Express using the Salesforce cloud since 2010, and now they can connect to their employees together through across organization or from anywhere. Nikon Instrument opted for the Salesforce CRM for their business, but later they also started using social network platform with Charter.